What's up, guys? Okay, that was really cringy. I'm sorry. I forgot to turn on my light here. Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, excuse me, my eyes are very not pleased. Chair. We're gaming now, boys. All right. Today we're playing Stage 1 Liftoff. Seems like a cool game. Let's play it. Yeah. Oh, if you guys didn't know, I got a new light. Yeah, it's gonna be very hard for you guys to see, but I got a new ring light. Okay, just give me a second. I'm going to adjust the camera back. So guys, the cool thing is today you guys are going to get to see my camera angle. Also, the stupid game doesn't want me to play it. So that's great, isn't it? You know? But yeah, you guys are going to get to see the angle of Nolan's. I thought that'd be interesting. You've never really seen my fingers move across the keyboard. Sorry. This is my laptop. Next to me, one of my second screens. Why won't this work? I will be right back. Okay, we're joining Liftoff. Chop, 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 chop. I think we're good. We're pacing. We're pacing to the racing. Alright? Yeah, don't make fun of me. Okay, we're not playing this game. Just give me a little bit. Guys, turns out we're playing Arsenal. Okay? Judge me on who I am, but it's more like a button pressing game, you know? So you can see the action of the fingers. Alright, this is what I do every time. I let my arm rest on this part here. Is putting Arsenal here. Sorry, the second screen. I'm probably gonna move this over a little bit. Here we go. There's the island. Glitching out pretty badly, huh? Let's press deploy. Let's press deploy. And then let's press deploy. I'm pressing. Here, I'll put it towards the mic. You can hear that, and it's. You know, someday I'd love to actually be able to get into a game. That'd be like a dream of mine, right? Wouldn't that be like the greatest thing in the world if I could actually get into a game? It takes me 10 hours to get into a game of Roblox. Can you tell me that? Like, I'm just gaming here, right? And it's like, well, that's too bad. You suck. Oh yeah, okay, I suck. Now, I'll see you guys in the game. You kidding me? Fine. Fun. I will just have to open Roblox myself. Gosh. Look here. Oh, can't move my screen recorder. Okay. It's on my other screen, so monitor, whatever you want to call it. So, just give me a little bit. Ugh. While I join a beautiful Roblox game, you can enjoy my nice Nike symbol back there. Right there. Jesus, why I can't. Yeah, right there. My nice Nike symbol. You can see the little bit of my muffler, my mouth. Okay, I'm really losing my mind because I can't play game of Roblox. Ah! You know what? I quit this game. I quit it. I'm done. My gaming life is over. Quit YouTube. I'm out of here. Okay, you know what? Just this game. So annoying. I hate this game. You know why? Because it doesn't let me play. It doesn't actually let me play. You see this right here? That little cut on my finger. Oh gosh. Come on, webcam. Let's focus here. Let's focus here. See that cut? It's a wound scar for not being able to play Roblox. See what this has done to me? Do you see what this has done to my career? Do you see it? Why? Can somebody tell me? You know? Hey Roblox, you know out there? Could you like actually launch your servers? Look at this right here. Can't join place. Bad request, cannot join authentic user. What am I, not an authentic user? I'm a YouTuber. I think I'm an authentic user. Okay? Okay? I think I am. Oh, yeah, I heard Nolan Dabo is not an authentic user in Roblox. Oh, yeah, I heard that too. That it's going all over the internet. Oh, yeah, he only has 5 subscribers? Yeah. I don't think he has like 5 subs or something like that. Hey, yo, I think you should sub to him. Just like you should do. Got him. Alright, that wasn't really funny, but, you know. It was funny for the moment. Okay? It's funny for the moment. Now it's not so funny anymore. Well, whatever. Okay, listen, I know this is not a fun video, but how do I make this fun? Yeah, we're gonna oh, I don't really know, I'm in my pajamas, look at that. Pajama time. I'm a pajama time, dude. Okay, this video is really weird. And this is gonna be on the internet forever unless I delete it. I'm not gonna. It's gonna rhyme a million times. But holy crap. Now, open up some secrets. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm gonna be real and honest with you guys. Real. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be strong about it. Here we go. It's time to take it. I've never shaved my legs. I got that from Fuller House. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm cringy. I'm a bad YouTubers. I'm not a bad YouTuber. I'm cringy. Okay? Just like when you see me, you're like, cringe. You know? It's cringy. I get it. And so are these dudes. I have like a box of. Look at this dude. Oh. This stupid light. This is the light. There's too much light. You know what? Never in my life they ever thought there was too much lightness. There is too much light. Right there, you can see it. Too much light. Too much light right there. Right? Right here. Too much light from that. Middle. Okay, I'm gonna adjust my camera now. Why do you gotta do this to me, Roblox? You were my friend! So was Fortnite. Roblox, you were my second friend. And you did this to me. So badly. I see why you do this to me. Here. I'm gonna be stronger than ever. Working out, boys. Worked out. I'm working out now. Nice, good, strong. I'm stronger than you could ever be before. Try to beat me now, Roblox. Come on, man. Let's beat me up. Beat me. I said, you know what I said? I said beat me. Oh, you're too scared, huh? Just because I worked out for 10 seconds? Yeah, that's right. That is how you do it. Fight. Strong. You're stronger than you ever were before. Like baby power. Okay, I'm just bad. I'm cringy. I'm bad. It hurts, man. It hurts. But you know what can make up for it? For me. So like this video and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Just a suggestion. Can't force you to do it, but it's a good suggestion. Okay? Time right now. It's a good suggestion. And I want you to do it now. Me going like this, going like this. It's a good suggestion. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna end the video here. I'll show the outro right here. Sorry. I will show the outro that I recorded a little while ago. Right here. Now. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos like this. See you later, alligator.